MPC-HC Seekbar not jumping to correct position with mouse click. On my MPC-HC video player installation, the Seekbar is not moving to the correct position whenever I click to move it. Instead, it moves either slightly ahead or behind where my cursor clicks. Since I can't really come up with a good way to describe the problem, I have made a GIF animation of me demonstrating the problem. The red flashes represent when I click. Normally, the Seekbar should jump to where the red flashes, but it doesn't, as you can see. What could be the problem? I have tried uninstalling and reinstalling it multiple times, and each time I have made sure that no source files were left over.
A user on the MPC-HC IRC channel under the username Jeep informed me that I likely have a feature in MPC-HC known as Fast Seek Enable. Sure enough, this was a problem. I turned it off under View, Options, Tweaks, Fast Seek on Keyframe, and it solved the problem.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.